VolkswagenBarbie. Today, we're at Black Sheep. It's time to check on Felix the Beetle because he's getting chopped to bits and pieces, but he's looking better every day. So I just kind of want to show you an update of how he's doing. There's really not much left, but they are knocking it out of the park. Gonna have to remove and add some extra metal. As you can see, the brace on this side has already been removed because we do have some rust. But they're fixing us up. Felix will be ready in no time. Peace out. Hope you're all having a great day. VolkswagenBarbie back in the garage mahal today, and it's back to work on Felix. It's time to marry this Audi transaxle to this LS engine. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in just a little bit and show y'all what we're dealing with. So with the Audi 8-track transaxle, actually has a smaller bell housing and a smaller volume and seat for the pressure plate and flywheel. So I'm gonna zoom you in over here and show you. We've got a much larger diameter on the flywheel than we do the clutch plate. And since we need to get that torque through the clutch and into the drivetrain, in comes our double clutch. So this is going to actually allow us to have less inertia and higher torque thresholds. So time to get to work. Peace out, and hope you're all having a great weekend.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.